Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Monday, June 5th, and I have this is pork schnitzel that I pounded out and seasoned, looks like back in November of last year. I'm going to defrost it in the microwave and cook it up, probably with some instant mashed potatoes. And then when I was in the freezer, I also took out some of these chicken thighs. I'm gonna defrost these and season them. I'm not sure if we're gonna cook them in the air fryer tonight or tomorrow, and if we do cook them tonight, they will be lunch for my husband for tomorrow if there's no more schnitzel, which I don't think there will be. And then I am also defrosting this bag of like orange chicken or something. Probably tomorrow we're gonna cook it up with rice, so, or maybe cook it up tonight, I don't even know. I'm just defrosting stuff and we're gonna see when we get to it. But that's what's going on so far. My schnitzel is almost done cooking. I have these marked down zucchinis that my daughter picked up at Fred Meyer a couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago. I'm gonna saute them up with an onion, and I don't think I have any bell peppers. That would have been really good with it, but we're just gonna use up what we have and just make like a little side of the sauteed veggies. Maybe throw in some garlic as well. So here's my schnitzel. There is 3 layers deep of paper towels and schnitzel. I thought it was pork schnitzel. It's not. It's turkey breast schnitzel, which is fine. And then because I only have 3 little zucchinis, I bulk it up with some onions. The onions will bulk up the veggies, and it will also give it a really good flavor. I just rinsed out the skillet. This is where I made my schnitzel, and it was already hot and going. So this will take no time at all. It's going to be a delicious side. We have a lot of salad in our fridge right now, but I just wanted to use up those zucchinis. It'll be a great little side. We can add some red pepper flakes for whoever wants some heat at the end. And then I'm just going to use instant mashed potatoes because I have a box open that I'm trying to go through. All right, you guys, here's my husband's plate. I did have a jar of some spicy pickles that he is going to finish up. That's another thing out of our fridge. And I'm gonna sit down and enjoy lunch with him. All right, you guys, so it is Monday night and my husband took off the skin off of those chicken thighs. I'm gonna make bone broth just overnight in my crock pot. And then these are the chicken thighs. I'm going to wash them and then I'm gonna season them with rotisserie chicken seasoning, salt and pepper, and put those in the fridge. But I don't feel like that's gonna be enough for tomorrow. So I found more chicken. It's just, I think it's like a honey garlic marinated chicken. So I'm gonna thaw this out and that will be going in the air fryer tomorrow as well. Lots of things going on, prepping, lots of chicken being used up. And I'm so excited to get stock to use for like chicken gnocchi soup or zuppa toscana or whatever else we need chicken stock for. This is a great way to get chicken stock, is just from the skin. So instead of throwing it away, make yourself some stock. All right, everyone, it is Tuesday. The first batch of chicken thighs, this was the marinated one, is done. It is absolutely delicious. And then I'm making 5 of these teriyaki noodles, North Sides, out of the pantry, out of the freezer, and then we have some pre-made salads in the fridge that we can use to have next to them. So my husband prepared this beautiful salad on Sunday. There's no dressing or seasoning on it. We are just taking some, we're gonna put some in a bowl, put some olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper, and we're just putting it as we're eating it. That way it stays fresher longer. And this is a big tub. It's so delicious and so refreshing on this hot day. All right, you guys, so it is, I think, gonna be 90 today. So this was a super simple dinner to put together. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's done. People are gonna eat at different times. I'm just putting plates together. The only thing that really heated up the house was the little North Sides, the noodles, but not too bad. The air fryer doesn't really heat up too much. Super delicious and just something quick and fast on this hot day. This is what we're having for dinner. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday morning and I do not have a game plan for today. I had no idea what I was gonna make. I went to my freezer. I see that I have this Mississippi roast already ready to go. My crock pot is ready to go. So I'm gonna throw this in the crock pot. Today is gonna be another hot day, almost in the 90s. And so I just want something quick and easy. We'll do a quick side, more salad, dinner's done. I also am pulling out this bread that we got on clearance at Kroger, and just to have bread on hand. And yeah, I'm gonna get this in the crock pot, get it on high, and it'll turn out delicious. I've done it from frozen before, and it turned out just fine. All right, here it is. Easy as it can get. I did pick up the butter and put it on top of the meat, and they'll just kind of melt throughout the meat while it thaws out and cooks. And I put it on high for 6 hours. I don't think it's going to need exactly 6 hours, but I just put it on there just in case. And it will make a nice gravy. We'll do a like cornstarch slurry if we need to at the end. And I'm either going to do instant mashed potatoes again or rice or just something super easy. All right, my Mississippi roast is just about done, and it actually went for the full 6 hours. I'm going to make these Knorr chicken fried rice sides. It's the first thing I grabbed. I'm not even going to think about it. Just going to make them. They're quick and easy. We'll throw a salad next to it, and it's going to be a delicious, quick dinner. And I'm so excited to eat this because my house has been smelling all day so yummy with the Mississippi roast going in the crock pot. So let me show you guys how fall apart this is. It's literally falling apart. So good. And I'm not going to make a slurry like a cornstarch slurry. It's just going to go, the gravy's going to go over the rice. It's not mashed potatoes, so it can be a little bit thinner. It's fine. I put it on low. I'm actually going to turn it on warm, and we're going to dig in. So here are some of the plates that I've already made up. Everyone else will just grab as they want and when they want it. This is the last of our pre-made salad. I just put, again, I actually put avocado oil because I ran out of olive oil, so that's going to be something I'm going to need to grab. So avocado oil, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and it's delicious. This is going to be my husband's. He's got a peppercini, and I'm so excited to eat because, like I said, I've been smelling it all day. This was a great choice, easy to put together, and that's going to be dinner for tonight. I'm going to go through the freezer and see what I can find. I'm really hoping I can find another crock pot meal, because I'm telling you, on these hot days, these crock pot meals have been saving my life, just throwing them in there and getting something quickly on the side. I guess this video might just be an all crock pot meal. It's okay. Whatever, it's all good. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, so it is Thursday, and today for dinner, my son made tortilla soup, and it is absolutely delicious. Hi everyone, it is Friday, and I put some ribs in the crock pot, and we've just been eating on them. And then we've also have a lot of tortilla soup left over. And then my son David made this cinnamon pull apart thing that I've had this in the pantry for God knows when, how long. And it looks delicious. It's cooling down. And Noah has asked for some pizza, so I'm gonna pop a pizza in the oven, a frozen pizza for them, and I'll show you when I pull it out. So this is the pizza that I just popped in the oven, and I'm sure it'll turn out delicious. Okay, so we just put all of the freezer items in the freezer, and I thought, okay, tomorrow is David's graduation, but that's like later on at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm like, what are we going to eat till 6? Well, I found this little chicken in the freezer that I got for $2.69 once upon a time at Kroger. So I'm going to thaw this out, season it, and I'm going to throw it in the crock pot. We'll make a quick side, and it's going to be delicious with the ribs. We didn't even make a side. Everyone was just kind of eating them with bread like that. I think some of my kids like cut up some tomatoes or something, and it was delicious and it was fine. So we still have soup. Lots of soup. David made a huge pot. We still have soup, but I'm going to make this chicken as well. It'll be delicious. Hi, everyone. It is actually Sunday morning. Yesterday was Saturday. We had those chicken burgers that I got at Costco. We ended up eating those before the graduation. Then after the graduation, we went to my sister's house for a family get-together to celebrate my son and nephew who graduated, and we made burgers and chips and dips and desserts. That was fun. So the chicken was in the fridge. I just seasoned it and put it in the crock pot. And then I just cut up some potatoes. I put a little paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, avocado oil, and I'm going to let them kind of just hang out here with the seasoning. And then maybe in about a half an hour to 40 minutes, I'm going to put these around the chicken as well, and we will have chicken and potatoes, and I think it's going to be very delicious. Okay, so I just took the chicken and the potatoes out of the crock pot. My chicken actually fell apart. That's okay. I put a little bit more salt on the potatoes. I'm going to put them under the broiler. And then I want to show you guys, look at all that broth. I'm going to, I added no water. This is all stuff that came out of the chicken. I'm going to put the bones from the chicken back in, add more water, and make broth out of it. So none of this good, delicious, flavorful broth is going to waste. Obviously, we'll strain it and all that, so it'll be delicious. So just a few minutes under the broiler, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. And I am going to flip the chicken up over so that both sides get a little dark. So what I did here is, while I'm waiting for the chicken to be done under the broiler, I put some turmeric, garlic, onion, carrots, peppercorns, salt, not parsley, I have to put parsley, celery, turmeric, did I say turmeric, bay leaves, and I'm gonna make a nice little broth. And then all the extra bones and stuff that comes off the chicken is going to go straight in here. I did put some apple cider vinegar as well. And I turned my crock pot on high for 10 hours at least. And this is going to make a delicious broth. And this goes really good with our tortellini soup. And the obviously the turmeric gives it health. It has health benefits, but it just turns into this beautiful yellowish orange color. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here's our easy, simple dinner on Sunday. The chicken, I put some Parmesan cheese and some parsley flakes, and the potatoes, and it doesn't get much simpler than this on this beautiful warm summer day. And we're gonna have broth going and just lots of good stuff, and it took me no time at all to get this done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner. If you did, subscribe. If you haven't, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.